ಸ್ಪಿಂಕ್ಸಿನ ಆರ್ಟ್. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧ ನಡೆಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳು.
Even if we study government school, we are in the forefront. We now have the best students of Britain. Short while from now are going to march in front of the Honorable Governor.